play some Xbox. Are you ready, buddy?
Yeah, buddy, let's do this.
Woo! Yeah, Xbox.
It's the Red Ring of Death.
Red Ring of Death. Ah! You son of a monkey fluffer!
Oh no, I got the red ring of death. I'm so pissed that I am out of breath. I just got a new Xbox game, and Xbox Live is my only claim to fame. I could try to get a girlfriend, but I'd rather work on my Xbox 10. I'm so upset I don't know what to do, cause now I'm disconnected from my Xbox crew. Red ring of death. Now that you are here, I have nothing left. Red ring of death. You have taken my life, can I report a death? Ring of death.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Wait, don't throw away that Xbox 360. You can repair it yourself with an easy-to-follow repair guide and video from 3redlightfix.com. Just click on the button below to get instant access.
Really?
Don't throw away that Xbox 360.